Jobber is popular because it combines scheduling, invoicing, and customer management in one system, but most cheaper alternatives cut back on automation, reporting, or user capacity to keep pricing lower. By the end of this, you'll know the cheapest Jobber alternatives, what each one is best at, and which option actually makes sense depending on how you run your service business. Start with the first category. Lightweight field service apps are usually the cheapest entry point. These tools focus on basic scheduling, job tracking, and simple invoicing. They are built for solo operators or very small teams that don't need complex automation or advanced reporting. The trade-off is fewer integrations and more manual work compared to Jobber. Next is basic CRM-style tools. Some platforms focus more on managing leads, estimates, and customer follow-ups than full job scheduling. They are useful if your business is still in a sales-heavy phase and you don't need deep dispatch or route management. Now look at mobile-first job apps. These tools prioritize technicians in the field, using mobile devices over office dashboards. They are often cheaper because they simplify workflows, but that also means less customization and fewer advanced scheduling features. Next is mid-range contractor platforms. These systems combine scheduling, invoicing, and customer management in a more structured way. They sit closer to Jobber in features, but are often priced lower by limiting automation or user scalability. Now look at where the real savings come from. The cheapest Jobber alternatives usually reduce cost by limiting users, reducing automation, or restricting advanced workflow tools. That keeps monthly pricing lower, but it can create more manual work as your business grows. Next is the most important trade-off. Even if a platform is cheaper upfront, costs can increase when you add more users, connect accounting software, or unlock advanced features. So the real cheapest option depends on how big your team is and how fast you plan to grow. Now the key breakdown. The cheapest Jobber alternatives fall into four main groups: lightweight job apps, basic CRM tools, mobile-first platforms, and mid-range contractor systems, each trading features for lower cost. To sum it up, lower-cost alternatives usually give you scheduling, invoicing, and basic customer tracking, but reduce automation and scalability compared to Jobber. Next step is simple. Before choosing a tool, map your full workflow from lead to payment, and pick the cheapest option that still handles every step without constant manual work. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Jobber comparisons, field service software breakdowns, and simple rankings that make contractor tools easier to choose.